Hey guys, today we have something special. It's Digispark. It's a little microcontroller platform based on ATtiny85, and it's programmed using Arduino IDE. I'm gonna leave the link in the description on how to set it up, and then I'm gonna leave my code also in the description. I'm just gonna showcase you how this works. Besides just being a regular Arduino platform, this one has a feature where it can work as a human interface device, where basically it can mimic either a keyboard or a mouse or a gamepad. It really doesn't matter. So the way I have this set up right now, I'm using 3 of its GPIO pins, P0, P1, and P2, in such a setup where they're pulled down to the ground using 10K resistors, and then the other side of the momentary switches are connected to the 5 volts. So basically when I'm pressing it, it goes to high, otherwise it's low, and then depending on which button I press, it does a different function. So right now I got it set up in such a way where if you press the first button, it creates a little shell script file that prints out hello world. The second one is basically shortcut Control P, which enables you to print, and then the third one is the one that I'm not going to show you how it works, but you're free to test. Basically what it does, it takes a screenshot of your desktop and all of its icons, and then removes all those icons from the foreground, and then sets it as a desktop background, so you think they're icons on the desktop when they're not, so you're clicking on them, so it's like a little prank thing. The way this works is once you plug it in, it waits for 5 seconds, waiting for the new code to get downloaded. If not, it goes into that HID mode that I was talking about. So basically, I'm going to show you how it works right now. So I'm just going to plug it in to my USB port, and I'm going to wait for it to become a keyboard. You can see hear the sounds when it's switching the mode. So if I press the first button, it's going to create a new file, and then I can run that file. I mean, it can run it too, but I just want to showcase it that. And then let's say I get this code and I press the second button, it goes Control P and I can print it out. And as I said, I'm not going to test out the third button because, you know, just don't want to go through the steps removing the desktop background and all that stuff. Anyway, really interesting platform. As I said, I'm going to leave the links in the description. If you like this video, like it. If you don't, wait for the next one. I'll see you next time. And this is such a nice toy. Basically, it's a Porsman rubber ducky. If you don't know what that is, just Google it out. Rubber ducky basically enables you to do a ton of stuff just with scripts. Anyway, that's all from me this time. See you next time, and have a good one. Bye bye.